I'm sure you're liking our videos.
And I've even got your comments and messages. And I've even got to know that some of you are even trying my dishes at home.
Thank you so much.
Cooking is a pleasure. When you cook something and give it to the people, they eat it and I feel so good.
Please tell me what your favorite dishes are, like egg lollipop, jujie kebab, the pizza, the bread sushi, or the other dishes we have made.
So, today we are going to make Golgappa shots with a twist.
Golgappa, which is also known as Gupchup and Pani Puri in Delhi, it is one of the favorite dishes of the Delhi air. To make the Golgappa sauce, we will need Golgappe Puri, pineapple, tomato, onion, mashed gram, sweet chutney, apple, pomegranate, chaat masala, sprouts, and
you will need curd, bhujia,
apple juice, pomegranate juice,
orange juice, lassi, and the special green Pani.
So to begin, we are going to make mixed fruit golgappas. So we will need pieces of pineapple, pieces of pomegranate, and some pieces of apple.
And we will need apple juice, pomegranate juice, and orange juice.
So first we will put few pieces of pineapple in the first one.
And we will put some pieces of apple
And some pomegranate. And if you want to make it little chatpata, you can use a chaat masala as a topping. And the first one is done. So this is the apple shot, apple juice shot. So for the second one, for the pomegranate shot, we will do the same thing again, but in a different shot. Mixed fruit juice shots: apple, pomegranate,
and orange.
So guys, you can try different fruits like orange, grape, mangoes, and you can try anything.
So for the spicy twist, you can use all these combinations. You can use onion. So I will need lot of curd, and I will need. So now I've put a lot of curd and roasted jeera powder. Now I'm going to put it on the lassi. Done. And now for the pani of Golgappa, you put some tomato. Put tomato in, and then you put piyaz. And then you put some sprouts. I like a lot of sweet imli chutney, so I put this one. And some roasted jeera, black pepper.
Wow, that looks so good. Okay, so now we're done with our shots. So let's split them up. So as our plating is done and our auntie has visited us from Indore, I would like her to try this dish first.
So that auntie, you can choose which one you want.
I know, I don't know which one I could choose. There are such beautiful ones.
You can choose this lassi one.
This one? Okay. Wow.
So you first eat the Golgappa and take the shot.
Now have the shot. The shot.
It's just wow. Just wow. I have another one too.
Alright.
They're just too good. Okay? Oh.
Then
Bottoms up. Cheers. Wow. So now you know what you have to do? Like and subscribe to our channel.
and comment down below.
And ask your friends and family to watch our videos and like them and subscribe them. Thank you.